to locate the biohazard container.
Espanyol.
Dito ako sa bakery.
Good work. The biohazard container has been located.
Kitchen, no?
Kasi yung kitchen yung puro silver, pati puti yung room.
Kitchen.
Invite ka na, invite mo.
Shit. Putang ina, naipit pa sa lintik na paanak nito.
Insertion in 10 seconds. 5 seconds to insertion.
Tingnan mo kung saan niya inaakyat yung ano niya, Mark. Yung drone niya.
Oo nga, ito nga. Sa hagdanan, tayo ng talino ni Gab.
Hindi, cabinet yun.
Ay, yung may gamit, basically.
Yung drone ni Dominion. Cabinet yun. Kami na DC.
Yay. No, Ash! Putik! Sobra forward! What? Ang bilis! Ano mabilis? Gago to si Ash, ang bilis masyado.
Binasag na naman ni Black.
Babasahin mo na naman yung kabila. Pre, gago.
Blackbird. Need help.
Ikaw ba nagdo-drone kayo?
Hindi. Si Ash.
Meron na taas na tatol? Baka sa stairs. What the fuck? Come on.
Saan yun?
Piniprefire ko lang yung room dun sa right.
Reloaded!
Magpe-penetrate si Ash from top. Standby.
Pwede ko na pasabugin yung wall dyan. Gusto mo ba?
Go for it, go for it, go for
So
it.
itong wall na nasa left mo?
Go for it, go for it.
Sabihin nyo ko ready na kayo. Ready?
Go! 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 Pasok yun. May lesion si...
Device is going down. Reloading! Cover me!
Lesion. Kasi dali mo kisa mo.
Puta, namatay yung ano natin, Blackbird. Mark, pa-revive nung kasama natin. Nasa ilalim ng kita may silation?
15 seconds left.
Putang ina namin!
Once the threat is neutralized.
On me! Frost, behind you! Behind you, Frost!
One op 4 remaining.
Behind you, guys!
Hostile activity resume securing the container once the threat is neutralized.
Ah,
4 neutralized. Mission
Nalo pa. Oof.
Pakirita yun, tangin.
Yung Frost?
Oo.
Yan o.